Hello, boys and girls. This week in our phonics lesson, we're going to be learning about the letter C. Now, the letter C is unique, just like the vowels, because the letter C, just like vowels, have two sounds. The letter C has the hard sound k, 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 when it's followed by an A, O, or U, and it also has the soft C sound, which says S, like S, when it's followed by E, I, and Y. So let's practice. All right, so this week in phonics, we're working on the letter C. The letter C has two sounds. The first sound is the more common sound that we know, which is the k, k sound. It's the hard C. And when it's followed by A, O, or U, it says the k, k sound. The other sound that C has that's not as common for us at this point is the soft C sound, which says S, kind of like the S sound. When it's followed by an E, I, or Y, it makes that soft S sound. So let's go back to the hard C and let's practice. This says k, k, the hard C sound, because it's followed by an A. Like in the word cap, C-A-P, cap. C-O says the k, k sound, because it's followed by the O, like in cot. CU also says k, 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 makes the C go k, 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 because it's followed by the U, like in cut. Now let's look over here at the soft C. The soft C says S, and when it's followed by an E, I, or Y, it makes that S sound. So for example, I know this C says S because it's followed by an E, like in the word scent. I know this C says S because it's followed by an I, like in the word city. I know this C says S because it's followed by a Y, like in the word cycle. All right, so practice makes perfect. So let's go ahead and practice some examples. So again, the hard C says k, k, and the soft C says S. So when C is followed by an E, I, or Y, it says the S sound, like in ice. When C is followed by any other letter, like in A, O, and U, it says the k, k sound. So let's blend. I know that this C says k, 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 because it's followed by an A, k, an, can. I know this C also says the k, k sound because it's followed by the U. Cold, cold. I know that's a k, k sound because it's followed by an O. Again, this one is followed by an O, so I know it's going to make that hard C sound. K, 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 ought, caught. Here we have a C that's followed by an A. K, ache, cake. F, ace. Why does face have the soft C? There's an A here, but remember, it's what goes after. It's followed by the E. E makes it say S. N, ice. I knew that that C said S and not K because there was an E after the C. That makes the C say S. M, ice. Mice. I knew that that C said S because there was an E behind it. All right, boys and girls, we're going to play a game called Hard or Soft Letter C Sounds. I'm going to pause for a second and let you guys shout out the answer. So make sure you're paying attention. Here we go. Go. Let's play. How to play. Start with the first question. Click hard or soft box for the answer. Click next to go to the next question. Click back to go to the previous question. Let's begin. Circle. Hard or soft? Soft. I know that just by listening. Circle, but I also know that because there's an I behind the C, so it says the S sound. Let's see if we're right. We are, yay! What word is this? Comb. Hard or soft? Hard, very good. I know it's hard just by listening. Comb, but I also know because there's an O. That's the right answer. What word is this? Corn. Hard or soft? Hard. O follows the C, so it says corn. Hard. Okay. What is this? It's not ants on a log. It's celery. Celery. If you had to sound that out, hopefully you knew because there's an E after the C that the C said the S sound. Celery. Soft. Very good. City. City. There's an I that's behind the C, so I know it's the S sound. Hard. Camp. Camp. Very good. Okay. What word is this? First of all, is the C a K or a S? It's a S because there's an E behind it. Celebrate. Celebrate. Let's do one more. Cold. Hard or soft? Hard. I know for two reasons. I looked at the picture, I could see she has a cold, so I know that word says cold. But I also know it's hard because there's an O behind the C, so that makes it say k, k. Great job. All right, boys and girls, make sure to write this rule down. Hard C goes with A, O, U. Soft C is followed by E, I, Y. Write that down. Oops. Write that down. Don't forget it.